सोचा है बच्चे बोर क्यों नहीं होते? क्योंकि उन्हें हमेशा कुछ नया करना होता है। To keep your inner child alive, never let your curiosity die. And we keep it alive by traveling to new places. This time we are going to West Sikkim. So come join us. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Dreamcatchers Vlog. This time we are on 2 days trip to Pelling. In this vlog we will be sharing how to reach Pelling, where to stay and things to do in Pelling. Pelling is well connected via road from New Jalpaiguri, Darjeeling and Gangtok. We took a shared cab from Gangtok to Jorethang and from Jorethang to Pelling, and it costed around 200 rupees for each trip. Due to current pandemic, the frequency of shared cab is quite less. So best way to travel is by private cab. It took us around 5 hours from Gangtok to Pelling, and the road condition is really very good, but there are many hairpin loops. We stayed at Hotel Sonam Chen and it was a best decision. Let me show you the room and you will know the reason why. Guys, क्या view है यार! It's very cloudy now, but I will show you the view of Kanchenjunga tomorrow morning. Pelling is a small town mainly divided into upper, middle and lower Pelling. You have hotel at all 3 places. लेकिन अगर ऐसे नज़ारे देखने हैं तो choose a hotel in Upper Pelling. We booked a private cab for local sightseeing. After having a light breakfast at the hotel, हम निकल गए अपनी पहली destination के लिए, which is Change Waterfalls. This waterfall is huge and literally on the road. We got some really cool shots from this place. Now we are heading to our next spot, Singshore Bridge.
Morning guys, so we are at Singshore Bridge. This is Asia's second highest and India's highest bridge. This is hanging bridge and the view from here is just amazing. Just look out.
We spent some nice time clicking some cool pictures and admiring the beauty of this place. Try to come early to avoid crowd at this place. Now we are on our way to the final destination for today, Pelling Skywalk. The entire route is so scenic that I could not stop myself to take a pit stop and mesmerize the beauty of this place. The sound of water is so soothing, isn't it? So now we are at Pelling Skywalk. This is India's first glass bottom skywalk and the view from here is just mind blowing. पहले मुझे थोड़ा डर लगा, but after few steps, it was fun. The panoramic view is just out of the world from here. The Changre statue is 140 feet tall. This place is so peaceful and we love the time we spent here. There was a cultural program organized at Pelling. We enjoyed watching football, shop at a local store, and enjoy the local food and drinks. It was so much fun to interact with the locals.
So this is Chang or Thokba, what it is called here. So I was looking for this from last 3 days. Finally got it. Some wheat, maize, barley, and this is a special leaf which has been produced locally. Medicinal plant. So basically इसके अंदर हल्का हल्का गर्म पानी डालते रहना है बीच बीच में, और जैसे पानी खत्म हो जाएगा you refill it again.
It was an amazing day with all the loving memories of beautiful Sikkim, locals' hospitality and lovely landscapes. Do subscribe for more videos from Northeast. Till then, goodbye.